I'm Rear Admiral Bob Burke, Commander Submarine Group 8 and Deputy Commander United States 6th Fleet, here aboard the Los Angeles-class attack submarine USS Pittsburgh. Submarines are a frequently unseen but important aspect of maritime operations in the Naval Force's Europe and Africa areas of responsibility. Today's force leverages the nuclear-powered submarine's unique attributes of stealth, endurance, and agility to support joint and naval operations. This allows assured access to denied or hostile areas, shared knowledge of the battle space, and, if required, power projection with surprise from close in. While the submarines are impressive, it's the crew that makes the ship a formidable fighting machine, able to operate for months at a time, submerged and undetected. I'm proud of each of you who call yourself a submariner, and thank you for your continued efforts to ensure undersea dominance. America's submarine force, where it matters, when it matters.